Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and yarn has finally arrived. Can't believe it. What a saga. What a palaver. What's that word I like? Oh, it's escaped me. No, it will come to me. I'm sure of it. Without no doubt. Anyway, this yarn is gorgeous and amazing, and no wonder they're out of stock all the time. But they promised me, well, they promised me, they didn't say I promised, but they said that come March all stock levels should be fine. Sorry about this. It's my son is sending me, well, funny voice notes. Anyway, sorry if it's going to ding. Let me turn it off so it won't ding all the time. The word that I can't remember, kerfuffle. There we go. It's a kerfuffle. I love that word. Okay, for some reason I thought it began with M. That's why I was not remembering what it was. So it's here, and boy is it beautiful. So I'll start with the one that Gary liked the most, and it is this one. This is Firefly. It's kind of golden. It's hard to see it. Goodness, what's going on with the voice? I think this was the one. It's either this one or the green one, which he thought was gold. I think it might be the green one, actually. But look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at those yarn boobies, guys. Aren't they amazing? So this is the new Firefly by King Cole. Extremely difficult for us to get hold of in the business. If you're, where are we? It's a 30-degree wash, but you can't iron it or whatever that is. I'm not good with these. You can't triangle it. Cool tumble dry though, and dry clean. What's a triangle then? If that's an iron, I don't know. Maybe you know. Perhaps you can tell me. So let's say it's 5mm. It's recommending crochet hooks. It's an Aran weight, so a 4-weight yarn, and this one's called Harlequin Beetle. Harlequin Beetle. It's 100 grams, and it is, oh, where are we? 35% acrylic, 66% polyester. So therefore, all kind of acrylic-y, natural, man-made fibres, should I say. No wool. And it's 219 yards, 200 meters. So it's very similar to that yarn that I absolutely love from Ice Yarn Universe, but there's no wool in it. Like with Universe there is. So this one is not showing all the colours that well, but they are kind of iridescently showing in a, you know, like when you get that colours on an oil slick, that kind of thing. They are there, but it's just beautiful. This one, I brought 2 in of each to show you. So we got that one. This is the one I think that Gary liked the most. And it was the first one I showed him, and it's kind of all the greens. I think he thought that was gold, you see, because it does look gold, doesn't it, there? But isn't it beautiful? I brought 2 in again, so you can say, oh, look at those. Those are amazing, aren't they? So pretty, so pretty. We'll put one down. And this one is called Mayfly. It's just beautiful. I love the yarn bands. They're one of their newer yarn bands, again, with these really pretty yarn bands. Really, really nice. With mayflies on. So, well, there might be butterflies, actually. Who knows? Oh, yeah, who knows? So, yeah, that's Mayfly. It's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. I like that a lot. So there's not one, oh, there it is. It does say Firefly Aran. It's just very muted. That's the word. But that one's beautiful. All those greens are very, very, very sumptuous. Sumptuous greens. So what we got? This one really does remind me of the Universe that I have. And this is called Lace Wing. It's browns and kind of copper colours, and isn't it lovely? Oh wow, that's really rich. Rich and beautiful. If you're a person who loves brown, then you'll love this. And I know a very famous YouTuber who loves the browns. Isn't that just stunning? Stunning. Stunning, isn't it? Sorry, lapsed into a bit of Welsh there. Yeah, lace wing, that says. Isn't it just, though? Oh, I love every one of these. They're all so pretty. Purdy. That's what they are. Purdy. This one, oh, there are no words. No words for this one. There are no words. It's called Firebug. Oh my God. Isn't it just gorgeous? It's so good, isn't it? Look at that. Look at Firebug. Oh my goodness. It's stunning. Isn't it just? All those kind of raspberry kind of... It's beautiful. 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 It's made with recycled paper as well, so they're being responsible. They weren't being none too quick with the delivery, but they're being very responsible. To be fair, it did rain a bit yesterday, like spitting. I'm being facetious, but you know, stupid delivery company that was. This one is called Glowworm, and again reminds me of Universe, but there's one here that's more so. This one's darkish, but it's beautiful. Look at all those colours. You know what I mean? Have you seen the Universe? It really does look like Ice Yarn's Universe, but without the wool content. It's so nice. Very, 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 very beautiful. I love all of them. And I'm going to keep a little bit of each for me. Well, I am. Hopefully I can get some more, because it is just lovely. Wow. Glowworm. One of my favourites definitely is Glowworm. But then again, whichever one I pick up is a favourite. Like this one, for instance. This one's called Violet Dropwing. When I first glanced, it said dropping, but Violet Dropwing. Wow. Oh goodness gracious, look at those. They are stunning, aren't they? Just beautiful. Couldn't you just squish that? It is lovely. I love those colours. And it's even got some kind of teals coming through there as well. And what's around here? A little bit of kind of silvery, kind of coppery. Ooh, beautiful yarn boobies, those. Wow, guys. What can I say? Not finished yet. One of my favourites is this one, and you can probably guess why. You know I'm a bit of a sucker for blue. This one is called Dragonfly. I don't particularly like dragonfly, but then again, dragonflies are those pretty coloured ones that fly over the rivers. I always call those nasty hovercraft looking things that plague us around September dragonflies, but they're not, they're crane flies. So dragonflies are beautiful colours, so I can get why they've called this dragonfly. Look at those gorgeous turquoises and those rich blues. It is beautiful. Stunning, gorgeous, and all the superlatives that I can think of are in this. Honestly, I just love it. It's beautiful, absolutely lovely. And you know I love a blue. But this one, now this does remind me of the Universe that I have. I don't know what the colour of the Universe I have is, but the one is very rainbowish. And you'll see what I mean when you say, oh no, this is more gold and red. Must have been that other one. That's the more rainbow one. But it does look rainbow when it's on the counter. But then when you put it near the light, all of those colours come shining in. It's still gorgeous. Look at those. Golds and kind of rosy reds. There's no word for them. They're so shiny and lovely. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So, so, so good. I love all of them. I absolutely do. So I'm going out in a moment, so I will not be able to put these in my shop for a little while. Probably get stuck into that tomorrow. So I'm going to do my best, because I've got to get all the pictures and everything else and sort it all out. So I'm going to do my best to get them on for Saturday. If I'm home early enough and I'm wakeful, I might do some tonight, but they're definitely going to be, I'm going to get them on for Saturday, as long as I can. But yeah, wow. So yeah, they will be at my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. I do ship worldwide, and the shipping is weight based, and it's also completely free of all tariffs. So what you pay is what you pay. The tariffs are there, so don't have to worry about tariffs. And it's gorgeous. What can I say? Saturday. Okay, that's when I'm going to do my best to get it on. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me throughout this horror story of a delivery, but it's here. And as soon as I saw the yarn, it was like, all is forgiven. All is forgiven. It's beautiful. Okay, so yeah, see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.